not sure this is working. It's working? Oh, I think it is working. Hi guys. I'm trying to have a exciting morning by doing some work, and you can watch me do that work. I think it's working, so without further ado, I'm gonna just get busy. Let's move this away. Move it onto my other screen. Try and move it to my other screen. Fail. Fail to do so. Come on, what the work? Whatever. How are you guys doing? Do message me to keep me mildly entertained. So my objective this morning is to make a GitHub action, because I don't think I've done one of these before. So let's do it. How do you do this? I think I want to create a couple of dummy repos first. Dummy repos. Let's do this. How do you do this? Test action. Let's go. Right, there's the test action. And how do you do this again? I always forget. Okay, can I clone it? Whatever. Can I clone an empty repo? Oh, sorry, I don't think I'm bloody sharing my screen once again. Hey, hello from UK. Sorry about this, I just realized I'm not sharing my screen. So what did I do? I just created a test action repo that I'm probably going to delete, if I can remember to delete it. Okay, so there is a repo I remember using that had yeah, this one, whatever. This one is a repo that I wanted to basically copy. It's got this action.yaml, and it's got an entry point. I think that's all you need. Actually, I should probably just read it. GitHub action Docker file. How do you do this? Yeah. Maybe I should just read this. Okay, let's just try this first. Open hailing frequencies. I can't do the accent. If the writing's too small or something, let me know. bigger for myself. Entry point sh. What does minus L do? Minus L. Huh. Interesting. Why would you do that? Does it say why it's L? No, it doesn't. Okay, alright. Okay, I'll just follow the whole damn tutorial. This would be like Kai Hendry, or what did I call it? Test action. I don't understand where the version comes into play here. Whatever. Does it explain the V2? Open hailing frequencies. Doesn't explain the versioning. Maybe version. It's best practice to add a version tag. Okay, whatever. I guess it's just a tag, right? Me, I don't think you need it. Who'd agreed? YouTubers. Okay, so oh, it wants me to do a V1. Whatever, I'll do it. Okay, I've got a test action here. Now you can publish this to Marketplace. Oh, that's quite cool. Oh, it's very thorough. Okay, so now I need a repo to try and use this with. So I was going to just fork somebody's thing. Did I fork this before? Forko. Copy the master branch only. What are you guys up to? Hard at work, I hope. Oof, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here. I think we don't need any of that stuff. Let's make my own one. Should I call this one? Main.yaml. Hello world job. A job to say hello. So this would be Kai Hendry test. Who'd agreed? Let's pass no arguments. So So it does. Let's roll with that. Testing and action. Okay, so let's go. Well, I have to enable them explicitly. Weird. What do you guys do for a living? Are you guys DevOps engineers like myself? DevOps infrastructure kind of people, or developers? What do you do? Hold on, I got some. It's warning me about my bitrate. Let me just make sure that I'm not using Wi-Fi. A data engineer. Oh, dude. I've heard of those people. They're the first ones to be replaced by ChatGPT, surely. Those Jupyter Notebook guys. Because ChatGPT is like great at understanding data. What's this about? Let me charge my phone. I'm finding UK a bit tough, in all honesty. Especially since the weather's just been so dreadful. And the taxes are much higher and all that sort of stuff. And it's very difficult to get help. So, not easy. Hello world. I actually didn't expect that. I expected hello YouTubers or something like this. Hello world. Oh, didn't I put like YouTubers somewhere? Oh, in the README. Okay, well that's fine, isn't it? That's working. Okay. That is working. On the bright side, the little heart icon is obscuring the view all the time. I can come a pub landlord. Oh yeah, don't forget about that. Platform engineer. Peter. Oh right. I'm probably that's my new, I think my next job is something along that line. A platform engineer since I need to do some Kubernetes things on-prem. Well, I'm not too sure. I mean, I typically do platform stuff because people want to build their own platform for one reason or another. Okay, so I got an example test action. Now I want to modify it to run less hero. So let me just think how to do this. I think I just need to oh God, what is it called? What did I do? Yeah, go bench data. So the entry point here, I think, will allow me to. Actually, how does Go bench data do it? How do they make their Docker file? How do they do the Docker file? Okay, they... what do they do here? It's a little bit complicated. I'm always a bit weirded out by Docker files because they either can be like building a project or running something. And they're never clear which ones they are, right? You know what I mean? Well, and I personally prefer the ones that run something, i.e. just have a binary and just execute it. Like, I don't need a whole runtime in there. Well, whatever. I just want a binary. I don't want any other junk. Okay, let me think about this. I'm not even looking at the right file. Okay, so I need less hero in here. Hold on, how do I do this again? How does the less hero Docker file less? Okay, let's just do it my way. I should know. We need shell, don't we? We need shell. We need shell. I don't know what happened here. This is garbage. What is this anyway? Yeah, this is gonna work. Are you still working Go often? Yeah, I like to. Actually, my last project I was working in TypeScript, which is a bit of a blast. Because it makes you appreciate how nice Go is. Wait, why is this dynamically linked? I'm not too sure this is going to work. Okay, so... this is a bit weird. Wait, how did the entry point work before? Something a lot simpler. Okay, so the Go bench data one is quite interesting because it publishes stuff to the GitHub Pages branch. And that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. Let's see if I can just work with this. Let me just remove things that I don't think I need. Let's go binary here would be like less hero maybe. I'm not sure that's going to work. What happens when I put version here? That's not going to work. Yeah, I hate software that doesn't show you the version, and my own software makes me... okay, this shouldn't... let me just get rid of this. It's not Go binary, is it? This is not the Go binary. All right, whatever, let's move on. Why do we need this build directory? I don't think we need this build directory. Fetch published data. No, we don't need to do that. Don't need input checks. Don't need this thing either. This gets where it wants to merge data, so I don't need to merge it. I don't need to merge it. Actually, I don't understand how this works. How do they... How do they know to go into pages or something? Input publish branch. Which languages do you guys work with? So it clones it out here into build. Okay, I need that. What am I doing? Bung, ba-ding. Do. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, so we do the build directory. Then we go into the build directory. Then we check out what does input publish repo mean? Input publish repo. Okay. Maybe I'll just set these up. Okay, so we got the branch checked out. Then at this point, we just need to run it. If set get user is not equal to false, why would set get user be even set? Weird, I'm just removing it, I don't see the point. Okay, so here we are. Then we do less hero minus c less hero.html. Get less hero.html. Commit message. Input get message. What would that be? Add less hero. Okay. Input publish branch. Yep. Done. Hey Josh, I'm not often around Oxford. I might be going to Luton to catch a plane at some point, but I'm not in Oxford very often. I think the town's pretty nice, as towns go. So, be cool to have a meetup, Josh, so I'll bear that in mind. Is anyone in the southwest of England? That's what I want to know. So, how do we know this is a working script? Isn't it Manazel? No, how do you check a script? Forgot. How to check a bash script. Is it -C? That's N. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so let me maybe check that this works. Build X build. What? Is this how Docker works? I don't understand. What's up with my Docker? Okay, that Docker file seems to work. Okay, I got all the stuff I need here. Let's go. Test my action. Test my test action with less hero. Boom. Okay, so now I need to go. How do I trigger this? Trigger action workflow. I think it's dispatch or something. It's like a weird way to make a Docker file. I mean, an action. Manually triggerable. Oops. Trigger workflow. Okay, so now I should be able to trigger the workflow from here by going here and going here. Go run. A job to say hello. Well, that's not accurate. Oh, it's not going to work because of the tag, is it? I don't like all this IDs. Well, you need it for this, don't you? Well, I don't need that, so let's get rid of it. Boink. 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 Boink, boink. And last but not least, get rid of the tag. Run withot tag. Let's go. Okay, I kind of regret. User's true must be a path, a Docker image, or owner at ref. Oh. I'll just go like that. Will that work? Just want to run the main. Was it? Is it the ref? Should it be head? Should it be ref or main? I mean, main or head? I'm getting confused. This is not working. Uh, hmm. Head? Try head. I haven't been charged for. Oh, for fuck's sake. I haven't been charged for the minutes I use GitHub for, so right now it's plain sailing. But I'm not too sure because I think my account is tied to my employer, so I'm probably just living in blissful ignorance. So I don't know how much it's charging, but I use it a lot. I mean, do I use it a lot? I use it quite a fair bit. Oh, this is not working. I can't get this ref. I can't get this ref working. Hold on. GitHub action ref latest commit or something. I don't know how to fix this. I think I'm just gonna tag it. Back to the taggy. Tag. How do you do workflow? I never understand the syntax. Do I have to do something like that? Yeah, it looks like it's going to work. Try V2. I currently roll my own Jenkins. It's free. I never really worked with Jenkins. I don't think I want to. Because there's a lot of mindshare with GitHub Actions. I love reading other people's GitHub Actions. Like, this is one of my favorite little links here, is that I just read other people's workflows. That really helps me as a DevOps engineer. Speaking of what really helps me, it would be nice if this bloody worked. But there is an entry point. Did I make a typo? Is it missing? Is it because of the shell? Let me just try run this thing. Oh god, what did I just do? What did I call this thing? Build Modesty action. Docker run. I forgot how you do this. Action. Git not found. Oh, we have a problem, Houston. We need oh yeah, let's do this. I prefer to work with Bash. I never know what shell is doing. Okay, let's try that. Let's do this. Why didn't I do this before? Wasting time. Okay, this might work. This might work. Well, okay, Joe Goose Bass. Why don't you just use something a little bit more modern than Jenkins or host managed? I guess Jenkins is Jenkins really free? It is. I guess I'm insane in the sense that I just like to use managed services or something. But I don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. Okay, so I fixed that. Now I need to fix this. I think main was working. I just was tripped up by the stupid error message. Try main again. Please. Oh, where was I? I was here. Ooh. Interesting. So now it doesn't work because I don't have GH pages. How do you not? GH pages is designed, yes. Build and deployment, source. Why is that blanked out? Select a source below. I don't really understand. Select a source below. I really don't understand this. Best for frameworks and customizing your build process. I'm not too sure what to do. Because I thought it used to just create the GH pages branch. Let's just try this. Browse or workflows? Yeah. Configure pages. Upload artifact. Deploy. I'm actually confused here. But let's give this a try, because this might be the more modern way of doing it. I kind of prefer it to check out things and then maintain their Docker file, in all honesty. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay, that's great, but where did you publish to? Upload to... What happened there? Okay, it uploaded something, but what did it upload and where did it upload to? Mysteries of the universe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, making it so hard. Why do you make it so difficult? Your site is live here. Okay, perfect. Visit site. 404. Okay, so I'm still trying to understand what just happened here. What happened? We introduced a new thing here. So by that logic, if I just go index.html, hello YouTubers, it'll publish that, right? Will this work on... I wonder what Emmanuel said. Message retracted. Come on, guys, entertain me. What are you up to? Where are you? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans? Oh, I didn't share the stream online. How do I even do that? Hello, Madrilla. What's that mean? Just don't need to worry me, guys. Streaming whilst making a GitHub action. Whatever. Header redactions. All right. I've got a header issue with one of my pieces of softwares. I think it's a bug in. Is it a bug? It's a feature in API Gateway. It's case sensitive when it comes to headers. So I think it's like rewriting the header, and as a result, it comes out twice. Let me demonstrate. Grep. I can't demonstrate. No, I can. See, it writes a header twice. Anyway, it's boring. Very boring. I'm living with the problem. Oh, okay, sorry. I got a bit distracted there. So, does this work now? Oh, yes, it works. Okay, I know how this works. I know how this works. So, to make this work for me, let's go back. So, basically, don't need this. Oh, it's the same thing. All right. Allow one concurrent deployment. Let's just remove that. I mean, okay, let's leave it. So at this point, we need to run less hero, right? So, oh God. This is where less hero does something, and then it uploads basically less hero.html. Yo. This is going to work, guys. Feel it. I feel it. But I need to make sure less hero runs. Like with... how does that other one work? Go bench data. What is it there? Read me again. Oh God. I don't like this. I mean, yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, I've never heard of driller. Like, how do you check this? Meme driller. Okay, I don't want to go there. Thanks, appreciate that, Andre. I'm running, what am I running? I think a T14 Gen 3. That's what I'm running. The Gen 5 just came out, and I wouldn't mind upgrading. I think it's the, I mean, it's kind of plenty of power for me. And how much memory do I have? How much memory do I have? 16. It doesn't run hot. I don't know why I want to upgrade. I just want to upgrade. I do like having the latest stuff. Okay, so what was I? Okay, so this looks good. I just need to make sure that less hero is ejected from here. Produces less hero.html. Yep. I just need to do that. Let's go. When do you use your MacBook? For work. I mean, all the MacBooks I have for work. I don't normally. They're not mine, right? I don't really mess around with them. I mean, I mess around them for video editing, but lately I'm too lazy to do some video editing, hence the stream. So, apologies for the lack of quality. I do kind of mean to record the streams and then maybe edit them later, but so far the streams have been so unfocused and embarrassing that I haven't even made the last couple public because it's just so bad. I think if you think there's some nuggets in here, then ideally isn't there some button you can say like, this is a nugget? I see a bookmark there. Add stream marker. Oh yeah. This is a nugget. Does that work? Right here's a nugget, guys. It's awesome. Yeah, I don't know. Oh. Let's go back to the screen. Okay, so going back to this thing. So I expect this one to fail because there is no HTML. Oh, right, yeah, okay. Okay, now I need to go back into my other repo. What did I do with that one? I must have nuked it. Oh god, sorry, I messed up there. So now this doesn't need to be so complicated. What do we need in here? We don't need a lot. We just need less hero. Let me think about this. I think one thing that's irritated me for the longest time is that I haven't got good defaults here. This should be less hero. Okay, so let's do that. Let's fix that. Is this going to work? So let me just run that and see if it does work. How come that doesn't work? The default is less hero. Okay, I'm actually not understanding how this thing works. I don't understand how that works. And I always need a strength, surely. Um, hmm. Okay, never mind. Back to the test action. Entry point. I don't think we need any of this stuff now. This can go. We just need an entry point here. Of less hero dot. How does this work though? Is it gonna have access to the? Is this going to work? Let's try. Less hero minus C, no such file or directory. Why is that? Does it need to be Alpine, maybe? I don't understand what's going wrong. Can someone tell me why does this not work? Sorry. Is it some permission problem? I'm very confused. Ah. How do you make it stick around? Oh, it's been a while. It's been a while. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this again. I'm so confused, guys. What's going on? Because the action is not running. Docker run and exec shell. I'm not too sure what's going on here. Alright, okay. Then I run this hero, then what? This hero not found. What's going on here? Is it because... I'm really genuinely confused here. What is it? It's because it's not built for Alpine, maybe? It's dynamic. How do you make it statically build? I thought Go static build binary. I thought it did it like automatically. I'm so confused. Let's try that again. Sorry, I ran out of steam here. I'm just thinking. Yes, that's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem. It wasn't dynamic, statically linked. Okay, so let me fix the entry point again. I'm not too sure how the mounting works in Actions, but let's just try this. We can only try. I mean, let me just double check. The run kind of works. Is it gonna... No, I haven't built it, have I? Oh, it says the same program. Sorry, I'm really losing my... What have I done? I copied it there. The file is statically linked. README is nonsense. I'm just losing it here. Is it cached or something weird? Run. Is it because I'm running it already? Is it because I don't use add and I should be using add instead of copy? Let me just commit this. Lost. Sorry guys, I don't know what the hell's going on as usual. We just run this again. See what happens. Yeah, this is why I like to make videos, because all these bits where I don't know what's going on, they can be scrubbed out, right? Make me look good. This is probably going to fail horribly. It's the same problem. I'm genuinely confused about Docker images now. I'm also kind of genuinely confused how to bring a binary into an action. Like, most people end up doing something like this. But how did they create this install script? What created this? Okay, so I always find it a little bit tricky to pull off the binary from GitHub releases. Does anyone know how you do this? Oh my god. Okay, so I have my less hero over here, and I just need to get the binary into my action. How do you do it? It's probably this one, right? Oh, sorry, this is getting desperate. Unexpected. What downloaded there? Okay. Let me just try this instead. Doink. 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 Yeah, correct. Broken, somehow broken Docker file. Let's try that. No, it's not O, it's C in my case. Maybe I should change these switches up. Mine is C, it's kind of dumb. Desperately try get binary into my workflow. Empty Git repository. Oh, that's interesting because now this action. Oh no, this is just getting. We're going from bad to worse here. So we're. Huh. I'm confused. So what's in this environment? Is this like some environment that's separate to the code base? Because that would be a problem. Oh yeah. Where is the code? Well, it would appear the code is here. But, I mean, the code is there. I mean, is that the code? Yeah, like everything seems to be there. Hmm. I'm confused. What? Why isn't Git working there? Where is the Git repo? GitHub workflows. Checkout directory environment variable or something. Checkout. The path where the action is located. I'm so confused here. Oh, it's... Is it? Wait. But it is a Git repository. What? I'm getting more and more confused here. So if I just run this hero here, that works. I'm puzzled why it doesn't think it's in. Is it because I run it? How come I'm streaming during the day? It's because I just have the opportunity to, because I'm just working on my own things while something else is happening. Just doing some. I mean, this work will kind of hopefully help me at work. This work will hopefully help me at work. If I can just figure out why this isn't working. What is the variable for the checked out? Yeah, I gotta check out action. See, there's a checkout. It checked out. Is it because... Hmm. Is it because of maybe the depth? It's probably because of that. GitHub action checkout depth. I think I need to do like a depth all or something. Depth. Yeah. It's probably one reason why this is not working. I mean, let's just do a git log here just in case. I think git log in a non-TTY environment would just throw everything down, I hope. Maybe I just do a PWD just to make sure I'm in the right where I expect to be. Let's try that. Download all the commits. Yeah. Oh, now it's working. No, it didn't work. Why did it fail? Less hero.html cannot open. Well, but why? Less hero.html. Not a directory? Okay, there's another problem here. Oh, I hate copying and pasting on my Arch machine. It just never seems to work. Upload single file. A file. What? How do you upload a file? Just a file. For real? Why do you make it so hard? don't understand it. Why did they make it so hard? Someone upload a file. Like, can't I, like, if there was an existing GitHub pages, can I not upload it to just the file? Yeah, I know about that. I know about that. I don't quite understand this. Required, but there's a default. Okay, I think I have an idea how to solve this. Make dirt. I mean, it might as well just be called index at this point. Upload artifact requires a directory. Bizarrely. Let's see. Oh, look at this progress. Progress, guys. Yeah. I think it worked. Boing. Oh, yes. It worked. I don't think the code count is right, though. I mean, it can't be right. Why is there so much code? What happened here, guys? 0B1. Sorry. Should have copied into my... That should have copied into my clipboard. Don't tell me that broke. 4C49. Why is it so hard? 4C49. What did he do here? Okay, 3D99. 3D99. Continue to improve badges. Git show. What happened here? Oh wow, it is a lot of code. Why so much code? 201,000? Oh, he created a vendor directory. That's always going to be mental, isn't it? Okay. Okay, interesting. Anyway, so kind of working. But I wanted just to include one page. I don't want to like overwrite what's in someone's GitHub pages. So how do I do that? Okay, let's go back here. Yeah, there's a few problems here I need to work out. Like, how do you bring in a binary from another? How do you improve this? Um, what is it? Refactor to user release. Does GitHub Copilot have any suggestions there? No. GitHub action. Get release from another repo or something. You can use the GitHub app. This seems too hard to get a binary from another release. This is also mental. This is also mental. Wall garden. Oh. Don't know. Release downloader? Do we have to use a third party just to get a binary from another repo? Because that sucks. That sucks hard. Not too sure what to do here. I'm not sure what to do here. Okay, let's look what we have here. Maybe I can be inspired. So we have an action that works. Yippee-yay, but it kind of sucks. How do you view the action? Here we go. Kind of sucks hard. So we tried the Dockerfile method, that didn't work. And downloading a release is just insane. And then uploading a directory is also bonkers. So I'm not sure how to solve this one. This is one of those things where it's kind of like GitHub's problem, in my opinion. I mean, I really don't understand why the Docker file didn't work. Why didn't the Docker file work? Let me just have a little bit of a play with that. I'm clueless. Why didn't this work? Hello there. Find. Oh, sorry. Okay, that worked. GitHub action, entry points, context, access to checkout. I'm actually really not understanding how GitHub Actions work, because I kind of assumed that when you create a Docker file with an action in it, then they were able to access the code. But it would appear not. Is this the way you do it? Is this the way you have to do it? This seems pretty nuts. Whatever. Crappy. I'm confused. Like, why do people create a Docker based? Testing my GitHub action, Docker action. I mean, can I please stop? Run the Docker file. I'm so confused. Okay, so I probably need to go back here. So, I created my Docker file. Accessing the files created by the container action. It would all map the default working directory. This is key. This is key. And this is probably what I missed when I was looking at this thing. Huh. Ha! Ha! Okay, I finally understand. It only took me all morning. Wait. Ooh, it has access. Look at that. That's the right place. So if I go this hero, I want to see foobar.html. I mean, that should work, right? Build. Run. Don't know why. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, because it doesn't have. Let's try that. Let's try that again. How do I run it? Run it. Run it. Run it. 10 workflow runs. Yeah, that's true. Did I commit that change? Yeah, I did. Yeah, sorry, it's left the find in there. Oh yeah, that worked. Okay, cool. So that worked. Oh my god, I got there finally. Don't need this noise. Let's see if this works. Doing, 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 doing. What's happening on Twitter? Nothing. Oh wow, I think it works. I think it worked. Let's make it a bit less irritating. Let's make it less irritating. Create less hero damage by default. I mean, that's a bit confusing, but assume less hero. God, it's cold in here. Come on, son, come out. Making sure that no one has messaged me. Oh, people have messaged me. Okay, that looked like it worked. Okay, that's cool. That's kind of working. I'm a little bit bothered that I can't seemingly just do this. Why can't I just do this? I mean, surely that should work. No? Why doesn't that work? It's because it thinks the whole damn thing is a Such an idiot. Read an error message next time. I'm such an idiot. And let me make this a little bit better. I want to call this... What do I want to call this one? Less hero. Less hero capitalized? I don't think I need any of this stuff, do I? Create less hero.html to publish slock graph. Done. No need for entry point.sh. Okay, let's make sure this kind of works. Let's make sure this kind of works. Let's go, baby. Baby, baby. I think I'm almost there, almost there. Thanks for coming along for the ride, guys. Oh my goodness. Did that work? I sometimes seen it write the... Where does it put... Oh, here it is. No, this is the old one, isn't it? Surely it should have a huge drop here. $360. No, this is not working, is it? Damn, I thought I was onto something. Is it because the artifact didn't get overwritten or something? Is it because it's cached? Is this cached? Oh, it was cached. It works. Yahoo! It works, guys. Use my new action. Oh, actually, it's not published. Let me just finish this. It was cached. Hardest problem in computing. Should say my name here. I do think this whole thing is a bit weird. I need to give some feedback there. I mean, it's a bit gnarly, this whole thing, to be honest. Yeah, I don't expect line 33. I really didn't. Okay, so awesome source. I need to just put this into less hero. Copy Docker file into less hero. Copy action into less hero. Oh, sorry. And then what else I need? Actually, there's another thing I don't understand. How does this work? How does the action get build the binary? Honestly, don't know. Never thought about it. Don't need the entry point. Don't need. Don't worry about that. Or that and that. Huh. I actually have no idea if this is going to work. Can only try. This is not going to work, is it? Is it? It's probably not going to work. I need to come up with a build for it, don't I? What did they do here? Oh, shit, they built it. They built it. No. I prefer the build happens in the action. Feature. Add action. Fixes. What does it fix? This one. I don't think this is gonna work, because how does it know where less hero is built? Let's. This is not gonna work, is it? To do, we want to ideally upload one file, not overwrite the whole site. Try less hero action. This is not going to work. I mean, this hopefully might not work. If it works, I'd be like, whoa, there's lots of magic happening. Kinda. Yeah. I need to fix that. Go Docker file example. Is this how you do it nowadays? Go blog Docker file. Is this how you do it? Don't really know. How do you Dockerize? Sorry, I'm looking at the chat for a while. How do you Dockerize a Docker app? I don't know. Let me ask on Go Nuts. These nuts. Hi, how does one is there a reference Docker file builder for Go 122? Oh, I've been on the job for 2 hours. I need a pee. Let me go for a pee. I don't know how you pause this thing. How do you pause? Don't know. Hopefully you won't hear me draining myself. I'll be right back. Damn, no answer. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Please, someone help me. Answer my question. Let's maybe. Use the. Yeah. I hate it when Docker files have like user in them. I hate that. I hate that. This one looks good. Um. Don't quite understand that, but looks okay to copy. Okay, I think I know how I want to do this. I'm gonna do it like go build less hero. I mean, it does that by default, doesn't it? Whatever. And then from Scratch, copy from build environment less hero to there. Yeah. This is gonna work. This is so cool. Anyone answer me? Damn it. And then let's do the old run. Yeah, I think this is work. Kind of like this one. Any complaints, guys? Any complaints? It's a bit verbose, but like I don't think there's any way around it. The on-build thing doesn't exist anymore. I don't. What are all these weird things up here in this label? Don't think we need those things. You tell me, guys. Am I missing out some cool stuff in my Docker file? Do let me know. The CGO enabled 0 is to make sure we have a static build, which I'm a big fan of. And I think it might be needed for a Scratch. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Build binary. Build static binary in Docker file. Fix. What is this will fix? Is it a fix? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Let's try this again. Rerun the action. Action. Run. Doing. Then I'll tag it. The trouble is this workflow is quite intense, if you ask me. I wish it could be. I'm really unsatisfied with this. Then I don't like how it has to like rebuild the whole damn thing. It's so boring, isn't it? I mean, ideally, it just downloaded the binary release. I'm very unsatisfied with this, to be honest, but it kind of works. So I'm kind of happy. Okay, so let me now think about this. I mean, this is crazy, but I'm just gonna roll with it until I figure out a better solution, and then go for lunch. how to create um, a, well, create a a, a slug chart via a GitHub action. And then perfect. Then I go, ooh, sorry. Then I read in all this junk. Blech. Blech. Wait, did I do that correctly? Oh, it should be called create a slug chart. Less hero. Less hero? I'm going for that. Yeah, I can just roll with that one. Doing, doing, doing. 1, 2, 3. I think that's how you do it, isn't it? I'm never too sure about these things until I unleash maybe a preview on it. Looks a bit gnarly. Why does it look so awful? Not sure if this is going to work still. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Docs. How to use it as a GitHub action. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. So I think I need to give some feedback about this experimental thing. I think we can nuke this project because it's kind of useless. How do I delete a project? Bye-bye. Yes, I want to delete it. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good lunch. Thanks for giving me some company. And I hope you use my action. Thank you and goodbye, everybody. Sorry. Boy, everybody.